mystery that astronomers have failed to explain until now. For a long time, astronomers have known that the Sun is tilted. It's not by much, but the tilt is there, and its spin axis appears to be over 6 degrees off vertical. So what the heck could have caused that? Well, nobody really knows for sure, hence the mystery. But there's some evidence that it may have nothing to do with the Sun at all. Instead, there might be an object out there roughly 10 times the mass of Earth, bullying our entire solar system. Back in January, renowned dwarf planet hunters from Caltech caused a huge stir when they announced that they discovered a group of small objects in the outer solar system acting rather strange. They all seem to be traveling in the same direction. It's extremely unlikely that they're doing this by chance. Instead, it must be a massive planet located 20 times further away from the Sun than Neptune, gravitationally tugging at them, of course. Astronomers call this massive mystery world Planet 9. And in new research accepted for publication in the Astrophysical Journal, they've made a link between our apparently tilted Sun and the mystery of Planet 9. To understand what's going on, we have to go back in time when the solar system was just being formed. There was an infant Sun, and it was surrounded by a disk of gas and dust called a protoplanetary disk. It was like a vinyl record, pretty much flat, and inside of it our solar system's planets formed. They ended up in fairly flat racetrack-like orbits. But if one of those planets underwent some kind of disturbance, like a collision with another planet, then that planet's orbit could have been dramatically tilted away from the orbital plane that the other planets occupy. Then, over the course of the evolution of the solar system, this massive world would have added a wobble over billions of years to the entire system, causing all the other planets' orbits to tilt as they compensated for this imbalance. As Planet 9 is thought to be a pretty big object, and we already think it can influence the orbits of smaller objects in the outer solar system, this unaccounted for mystery world could be causing all the wonkiness of the entire solar system. It just so happens that Planet 9's predicted orbit is thought to be tilted a whopping 30 degrees away from the orbital plane, which according to computer simulations would exactly account for the observed tilt in the rest of the solar system. So guess what? It's not that our Sun is tilted at all, it's actually Earth and the rest of the planets that are tilted, making the Sun look like it's wonky from our perspective. So now we have all this indirect evidence of Planet 9. Isn't it about time we zoom in and take a picture already? Sadly, according to the researchers, the search area is so big and Planet 9 is so far away that it's going to take at least 3 years to get a direct observation of this strange new world.